What is an up-and-coming location people could consider?
Oh, an up-and-coming location people should consider, I think, Fethiye. Fethiye in Turkey is fabulous, great food, amazing people and beautiful properties. So yeah, check out Fethiye.
What's the biggest mistake house hunters could make?
The biggest mistake house hunters make is probably not realising just how far their budget could really go. I think I'll leave it at that.
What's your top tip for first-time overseas buyers?
My top tip for first-time overseas buyers is to do your research. We can help you if you come on a place in the sun, but if you can just pinpoint exactly what you want and exactly the location you want to be in, I think once you get the location, everything else falls into place.
What's the most unexpected thing you have seen whilst giving a house tour?
Okay, crazy things I've seen while I've been filming. Well, we do film in people's homes, so actually it's nothing that I can tell you on camera. I'll have to keep that one a secret.
What 3 words would you use to describe a place in the sun?
That's a good one. 3 words to describe a place in the sun: emotional, fun, happy.
If you were a biscuit, what would you be?
Oh, what kind of biscuit would I be and why? A jammy Dodger, I think, nice and sweet in the middle.
If a place in the sun did a celebrity special, who would you like to help find a home?
I want to help my favourite footballer, Marcus Rashford. I want to help him find a place. I think he would love the Caribbean. So Marcus, if you want to come on the show, I'll take you on the house tours.
If you could have any superpower, what would it be?
Superpower, obviously, I want to be invisible, just to listen into people's conversations because I'm nosy like that.
What's one item you always take when you travel?
My item that I always take every time I'm travelling is my translucent powder, because when I'm filming, I am sweating and just give myself a little powder and you would never know.
If a place in the sun had a theme song, what would it be?
Here Comes the Sun by the Beatles. Isn't that gorgeous?